The HLR steel strip cover reduces the penetration of particles and increases the actuator's service life. If the steel strip shows signs of damage such as dents, cracks, deformations, discoloration or similar, it should be replaced. As the steel strip is sharp-edged, we recommend that you use protective gloves while replacing it. First, loosen the screws of both steel strip clamping rails on the pulley housing, and remove them. Then loosen the screws of both carriage covers and remove them. Pull out the steel strip cover carefully. Pull out the steel strip deflection units and the sliding bars carefully. If wear is visible, replace the parts. Carefully push the new steel strip cover through the carriage channel. Carefully push the steel strip deflection unit into its rear position and put in the sliding bars into the carriage channels. Mount the carriage covers on both sides. Tighten the screws with a torque of 1.6 Newton-meters. Put the first clamping rail in its position on the deflection unit, then fix the steel strip cover centrally and tighten the screws of the clamping unit with a torque of 2.4 Newton-meters. Align the steel strip cover centrally on the support profile and pull it flat. Put the second clamping rail in its position on the deflection unit, then fix the steel strip cover centrally and tighten the screws of the clamping unit with a torque of 2.4 Newton-meters. Check if the steel strip cover scrapes the carriage by moving the carriage over the entire length of the stroke. Use a Teflon spray to slightly moisten the steel strip in the stroke area.